Everyone would not want this to happen to them. I have tried to press the bottom of the dishwater pump, but the water does not flow out. Even I have tried to check, but still no result. Looks like this dispenser pump is broken. I will try to check this equipment. I try using a plus screwdriver to open it. All parts of this pump dispenser are clearly visible. I will check the DC voltage on the battery in this unit. On the DC voltmeter, it does not show any voltage. It is possible that the battery is damaged and I need a new battery to replace it. I have to remove it from the battery housing. The battery is not easy to remove. I am definitely going to need a soldering iron to remove these two solder points. The work to remove the soldering will I start. Removing these two soldering points is not too difficult. And the PCB is free from battery terminal. Let me measure the DC voltage on the new battery. Battery voltage is 4 volt DC. Solder on the both sides of the battery. The red wire to the positive pole and the black wire to the negative pole of the battery. Now I will install the battery in the battery housing. Install the PCB too. Use the rubber band to fasten the PCB to the pump body. Do the soldering on the two terminals of the battery. Without realizing, I press this button. Wow! Turns out this pump is running. The button is working fine. I will remove this rubber band and clean the inner surface of the pump. This silicone hose must also be cleaned. I will install the pump cover and install the two screws on the bottom of the pump. All work is almost over, and it is likely that the dispenser will be ready for use. Do not tighten too tight because it will damage the thread. A cup of fresh coffee will taste better if pumped by the dispenser pump. I would put the dispenser pump into 5-gallon water bottle. It is very nice that the water from the 5-gallon mineral bottle can be sucked out by this pump. It is very easy to do this job, and almost anyone can do it.